Hello friends, today I will show how to create multiple channel by one Gmail. This is 100% authentic. If you properly follow this till last, your channel will be ranked. It is 100% sure. Okay friends, let's talk about this criteria. Okay, you have to go first your channel. So you have to write there studio stu this. Okay, now I am entering. uh, okay, you have to go to studio.youtube.com. okay, now you have to go. This is you can see this is a channel. This is a short channel. There is short videos lot of. And if you switch account, then you can see a lot of channels here. Okay friends, now I have to add one another channel for you. Okay, for this you have to go to youtube.com. okay okay this is YouTube interface, and you have to press here. Okay, now you have to press settings. In settings, there is account, notifications, playback and performance, privacy, connected apps, billing, payments, advanced settings. You have to go account, and this is account. This is viral today. Add or manage your channels. Okay, now I am adding a channel. Okay, here are my channels. There are some channels. Okay, now create a channel. Okay, add channel name. Anything you want to create your channel name will have to write here. Now I am my channel. Okay, now you have to tick here and press create. Okay friends, now my new account is creating new channel. Okay, if you successfully create your account, then this will be showed. This channel does not exist. Okay, now I am removing this tab, adding a tab, and remove another tab. Now I will go to studio.youtube.com. Okay, then this is welcome to YouTube Studio. Continue. Okay, you can see switch account here. My channel, no subscribe. Okay, now I will show you how to grow a channel. Okay, I can add some content. Okay, country of residence. This is, if you want to set is USA, then press USA. Otherwise you can set your country. Some keyword have to add. This is my short channels, so I will get shorts. I can rapid tags. This is a best site for creating your tabs. Shorts, sports, sports. Okay, here is some sports type short. I copy and paste. Okay, advanced settings, no, feature eligibility, you have to eligible all of this. Okay, now upload defaults, no need. Here advanced settings, you have to categorized your channel. This channel is like of sports, so this is sports. Okay, and comments is the best option for you, and you have to allow all comments. Permission, no need. Community, no need. Agreements, all use. Okay, save. Now I am content creating, uploading my content. This is my content. This is the short channel, sports, important. This is short channel, so I upload this. Okay, and all videos are updating. If you create like this, your channel will be ranked 100%. This is my channel name. If you want to see this, you can see what is the subscribe of this channel. I will give in the description box I will give the link to the description box. Okay, friends, so my video is over. If you like my video, press like button. If you want to know anything about this, let's comment, and please subscribe me. Thank you everyone.